Hi, welcome back to this course. In this section of the course, we will add the public dataset that we'll use for the rest of the course. So here we will just basically we can see like we have the Explorer part of the environment, and then we can just come over and click the Add Data. So we add and then we try to explore. We could basically, let me just put it like this, we could basically like do three things. Maybe we could search for a project, or we could maybe enter a project name, or maybe we could explore public data sets, or maybe we could, add maybe an XML data source. So in this case, if we're adding an XML data source, we're basically like, importing something into the um, Google Cloud platform. But we wouldn't be doing that. We'll just go for the public data sets. Now, when we look at the public data sets, we can see like we have a lot of data sets here. And most of these data sets are like, real life data sets. And they're not just the data sets that's been updated daily. So you can see a lot of, options here. You can see the COVID-19 cases in Italy and, COVID-19 open data, public forest. You could even see some cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, global health, and all this kind of, great information here. So we could just basically go ahead and decide to take one of the data sets, and then we can use this data set already to do like our use case. We use it for our practice. So I think I will maybe go with the London crime data set. And so basically in the London crime data set, we could see like, we could see some details about the data set and when it was last updated, the category, the source where the data was being pulled, and how often is the data being, updated. It's saying annually, but this is over a year as at the time of the recording. And then it's basically saying like it has a K, and it's just giving you a little bit of overview. And then it tells you a bit of the samples, give you a bit of like statistics, so you have an idea of what the stats are. And then you can already say, okay, I want to view the data set, right? So, yes. So the good thing now is we have like the full data set here. So you have all the public data sets has come here. So regardless of which of the ones that we actually selected, we selected the London crime, but we have all the data sets here, which means that we can now go ahead and try to play with all the data sets. So in the next class, we could already start, and we could already, start writing our queries. So yeah, let's meet in the next class.